Namaskar, welcome to eKaksha. I am Nipa Das and today we will discuss the question answers of the fourth English chapter of class 10 and the name of the chapter is Madam Rides the Bus. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি আমি দশম শ্ৰেণীৰ ইংৰাজীৰ চতুৰ্থটি পাঠৰ question answers সমূহ আলোচনা কৰিম. So let's get started. Question number 1. What was Vali's favorite pastime? Answer. Vali's favorite pastime was to stand in the front doorway of her house to watch what was happening in the street outside. So, Valie free time at ki korisil, ঘৰৰ দৰজাৰ সন্মুখত বাৰান্দাত থিয় হৈ সন্মুখৰ গলি বা ৰাস্তাটোত কি হৈ আছিল সেই দৃশ্যসমূহ সদায় তাই চাইছিল. So, Vali's favorite pastime was to stand in the front doorway of a house to watch what was happening in the street outside. Question 2. What was the source of unending joy for Vali? What was the strongest desire? Answer. The sight of the bus with new passengers, the sight of the bus with a set of new passengers was a source of unending joy for Vali. Valiয়ে যেতিয়া বাছখন চহৰৰ পৰা গাঁৱলৈ আহে তোমালোকে জানাই আৰু প্ৰত্যেকবাৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ পেছেঞ্জাৰ বিভিন্ন মানুহ তাই দেখে হেতু কি it gave her lot of joy. Her strongest desire was to ride on the bus. আৰু তাৰ আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ ইচ্ছা বা আশাটো কি আছিলে was to ride on that bus. সেই বাছখনত উঠা তো তাৰ এটা ডাঙৰ আশা আছিল. Question number 3. What did Vali find out about the bus journey? How did she find out these details? যে বাছৰ যিটো জাৰ্নি হেতুৰ বিষয়ে ভালিয়ে কি কথা গম পালে আৰু এই কথাসমূহ তাই কেনেদৰে গম পালে? Answer. Vali found out, প্ৰথমে কি গম পালে? Found out that the town was 6 miles from the village. So এইটো প্ৰথম পইণ্ট মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব. ভালিয়ে গম পালে যে তাইৰ গাঁৱৰ পৰা চহৰখন কিমান দূৰ? 6 miles. Okay, বাছেৰে গ'লে. The fare was 30 paisa one way. এবাৰ গ'লে তাইৰ গাঁৱৰ পৰা চহৰলৈ গ'লে এবাৰ গ'লে কি 30 paisa. তাৰমানে আকৌ উভতি আহিলে আকৌ 30 paisa দিব লাগিব, হয়নে? বুজি পাইছা? It took 45 minutes to reach town. আৰু তাইৰ গাঁৱৰ পৰা চহৰলৈ কিমান সময় লাগে? 45 minutes. So it took 45 minutes to reach the town from a village. And the same bus would bring her back. She found out these details after listening to the conversations of her neighbors about their bus ride. আৰু এইবোৰ কথা তাই কেনেকৈ গম পালে? কাৰণ তাই ওচৰ চুবুৰীয়াই যেতিয়া বাছত উঠা অভিজ্ঞতাৰ বিষয়ে কিছুমান কথা পাতে তাই সেই কথাবোৰ শুনি থাকে. She also asked a few discreet questions here and there. She also asked a few careful questions here and there. Question 4. What do you think Vali was planning to do? So, তোমালোকে কি ভাবা যে ভালিয়ে কি কৰিম বুলি তাই প্ল্যান কৰি আছিল বা কি কৰিম বুলি ভাবিছিল? Answer. Vali was planning to ride on the bus and to go to the town and return home on the same bus. So, ভালিয়ে তাইৰ খুব ইচ্ছা আছিলে হয়নে সেই বাছখনত উঠা. So, তাই এটা প্ল্যান বনালে. প্ল্যানটো কি আছিলে? যে Vali was planning to ride on the bus and to go to the town and return home on the same bus. She could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus that took 45 minutes to reach the town. আৰু তাই কেইটা বজাত গ'লহেঁতেন? এটা বজাত. কাৰণ 45 minutes লাগে, হয়নে? In this way, she planned to stay in her seat and would be back home by about 2:45. আৰু ভাবিছিল যে by 2:45 তাই ঘৰলৈ আহি পাব. Part 2, question number 1. Why does the conductor call Vali madam? যে কণ্ডাক্টৰ গৰাকীয়ে ভালিক কিয় madam বুলি সম্বোধন কৰিছে? Answer. The conductor called Vali madam because she behaved like a grown-up woman. কাৰণ তাই এগৰাকী খুব প্ৰাপ্তবয়স্ক মেচিয়ৰ লেডিৰ নিচিনা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল। কিয় কৰিছিল তোমালোকে জানা? কাৰণ তাই অকলে গৈছে, হয়নে নহয়? তাই ডাঙৰৰ নিচিনা বিহেভ কৰিছিল, সেইকাৰণে তাই madam বুলি মাতিছিল। She was quick in her answers to the conductor's questions. She also spoke with great confidence. The bus conductor was a jolly person, so he addressed her as madam as a joke. So ধেমালি কৰি so he addressed her as madam as a joke. Question number 2. Why does Vali stand up on the seat? What does she see now? তাই সিটৰ ওপৰত কিয় থিয় দিলে বাছৰ সিটত আৰু কি দেখিলে? Answer. Vali was captivated by the view of the beautiful scenery outside the bus and was trying hard to look outside. Unfortunately, a canvas blind covered the lower part of her window, so she stood up on her seat and peered over. Now she was able to see that the bus was moving on a very narrow road. It had a canal on one side, beyond which palm trees, mountains, and blue sky could be seen. On the other side, there was a deep ditch followed by greenery. Okay. Question number 3. What does Vali tell the elderly man when he calls her a child? বয়সীয়াল মানুহজনে তাইক যেতিয়া সৰু ছোৱালী বুলি সম্বোধন কৰে তেতিয়া তাই কি কয়? Answer. Vali tells the elderly man that there is nobody who is a child. She says that she has paid her fare of 30 paisa like everyone else. তাই কৈছে যে ইয়াতে কোনো সৰু ছোৱালী নাই, ময়ো আপোনালোকৰ নিচিনাই ভাড়া দিছো বুলি কৈছে। Question 4. Why didn't Vali want to make friends with the elderly woman? Answer. The elderly woman looked repulsive to her and smelled foul. She had looked repulsive. তাইৰ ওচৰত বয়সীয়াল মানুহগৰাকী আহি যে তাইৰ সিটৰ ওচৰতে বহিলে, কিন্তু ভালিয়ে মানুহগৰাকীক ভাল পোৱা নাছিল। She found her repulsive. The elderly woman looked repulsive to her and smelled foul. She had big earlobes with bigger holes and wore ugly earrings. Okay? ডাঙৰ কাণত কি ডাঙৰ লুটিত ডাঙৰ ফুটা আছিল আৰু খুব ugly earrings পিন্ধিছিল. Besides, she was also chewing betel nut. আৰু কি কৰিছিল? Chewing betel nut মানে তামোল পাণ খাই আছিলে। এইবোৰ দেখি ভালিৰ খুব বেয়া লাগিছিল। খুব বেয়া গুণ এটা পাইছিলে। And her mouth was also filled with bitter juice that was likely to spill all over her lips. Seeing all this, Vali did not want to make friends with that woman. Part 3, question 1. How did Vali save up money for her first journey? Was it easy for her? তাই জীৱনৰ প্ৰথম বাছ যাত্ৰাটোৰ কাৰণে তাই কিদৰে পইচা জমা কৰিছিল? Answer. Vali resisted every temptation for peppermints, toys, balloons to merry-go-round at the village fair to save up money for her first journey. It had been really difficult for her as she had to control her urges and resist temptation. After making a lot of sacrifices, she was able to save 60 paisa for her first dream bus journey. Question number 2. What did Vali see on her way that made her laugh? ৰাস্তাত তাই কি দেখিছে যিটো দেখি ভালিয়ে হাঁহিছে? Answer. Vali saw a cow. What did she see? She saw a cow. গৰু এটা দেখিছিল. It was running very fast in the middle of the road in front of the bus with her raised tail. The driver loudly honked the horn repeatedly, but the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became and galloped as fast as possible. This scene appeared funny to her and made her laugh. Question number 3. Why didn't she get off the bus at the bus station? যেতিয়া বাছখন চহৰ গৈ পালে তেতিয়া বালিয়ে বাছতে কিয় বহি থাকিলে? Why didn't she get off? Answer. Vali didn't get off the bus because she only boarded the bus with the intention of taking a ride to a nearby town. কাৰণ তাইৰ উদ্দেশ্যটো অকল বাছত উঠাহে আছিলে, হয়নে? চহৰলৈ যোৱা উদ্দেশ্যটো নাছিলে. And she had to go to town and then return by the same bus before her mother woke up from her afternoon nap. আৰু এটা কথা আছিলে, মাকে দুপৰীয়া শুৱে, সেই সময়খিনিতে তাই কি ভাবিছিল? মই চহৰলৈ যাম আৰু সোনকালে ঘূৰি আহিম. Moreover, she was too afraid to have a look at her surroundings as she was alone. আৰু তাই যেহেতু অকলে গৈছে, ভয়ো লাগিছে, হয়নে? Question number 4. Why did Vali want to go to the stall and have a drink? What does this tell you about her? Valiye basor pa nami stall khonoloi goi khaboloi kyo nogol? Yar pra ami Valier bikhoye ki gom pao? Answer. Vali did not want to go to the stall and have a drink. It was because she didn't have the money to waste on anything unnecessary. Karon Vali logot extra টকা নাছিলে, অকল তাইৰ বাছৰ ভাড়াটোহে আছিলে 60 পইচা. গাঁৱৰ পৰা চহৰলৈ যাবলৈ 30 পইচা, হয়নে? আৰু চহৰৰ পৰা আকৌ ঘৰলৈ আহিব লাগিব 30 পইচা, 30, 60. তাইৰ অকল সেইখিনিহে আছিলে, চ' তাইৰ খাবলৈ পইচা নাই. And when the conductor also offered to get her a drink in case she didn't have money, she still refused. আৰু কণ্ডাক্টৰ গৰাকী যেতিয়া ক'লে যে তোমাৰ পইচা নাই যদি একো নাই, মই তোমাক এটা cold drink dim. Kintu tai tete ki kole je dibo nalage moi nekhao. It tells that she was a wise and independent girl. Ta yapa ami ki gom pao je tai khub gyani, soljoni khub gyani asile, hoine? It tells us that she was a wise and independent girl who did not want to rely on. She was a wise and independent girl who did not want to rely on anyone for her needs. আৰু তাই কাৰো সহায় ল'ব বিচৰা নাছিল, সকলো কাম নিজে কৰিব বিচাৰিছিল. So students, we have come to the end of the question answers of the 4th English chapter of class 10. That is, Madam Rides the Bus. So see you again in the next class. Until then, take care. Thank you.